Hey, what's going on, guys? So I do Uber. I've been doing Uber for approximately 5 months now. Talked to my buddy Matt the other day. Been driving for 5 months, and I went those 5 months without keeping track of my mileage, essentially. But what I'm getting at is it's very important for you to track your mileage. You have to track your mileage because they count for deductions at the end of the year annually. I drove for 5 hours, which equated to about 115 miles 115 miles for 5 hours. So it was a deduction of $66. It's an app on your phone or online. Create an account. You can snap pictures of your receipts, meals that you get throughout the day while you're working. Um, it has an auto tracker on it as well. So if you don't want to put your mileage in manually daily, you can just turn it on and then turn it off when you're done with the app. It's important to record that stuff on paper too, like in case, God forbid, something were to happen. Uh, I do keep track of my mileage on paper, probably two different places, as well as the QuickBooks app. But the whole point of that is if you don't want to owe a shitload of money, and if Uber or Lyft is your only source of income, and you don't want to owe a ton of money, it's advisable to put 35% of your money that you make every month away into a savings account. In addition to that, you need to keep track of your mileage, depreciation of your vehicle, repairs to your vehicle, anything like that. QuickBooks is pretty self-explanatory. So for anybody who doesn't know about it, I highly recommend it because you don't want to go to, jail for tax fraud or tax evasion or owing the IRS $10 or $20,000 at the end of the year. It's very important for you to keep track of that stuff. In a very real way, you are essentially running a business, and you want to be treated that way, and you want to pay attention. You really want to pay attention to what you're doing. So that's all. So yeah, go on your phone, Android, iPhone, whatever you have. QuickBooks. It's called QuickBooks. Download it, utilize it, and if it's your full-time job, you should know everything there is to know about the app. Because if you don't get your deductions and you're not making money back at the end of the year, the wear and tear on your vehicle and everything else, you don't use it as a learning experience, you will definitely learn your lesson the hard way. Like I said, I was 5 months behind. I wonder why. My tax return last year was $600 when the previous year I had made pretty much around the same amount of money, and I took a hit of $1,700 less than I would have received back. And if you don't have a job with taxes where they're taking that out, and that's your only form of employment, you better start putting money away. Even at the very least, you should be putting away at least, $20 for every 100 you make, or 35% of your monthly income. All right, guys, I hope you take this advice, and I hope you have a good day. I'm going to head to bed now. Take care.